Thank you for tuning in to part 2 of this General Aviation Day Out. I'm flying November 9-8 Juliet Golf, a little Piper Arrow, to the Spartanburg Downtown Memorial Airport this morning. I'm on an IFR flight plan talking with rear approach, and based on the weather I see outside, the IFR flight plan was a good decision. The weather has deteriorated a little since leaving Monroe. There are more clouds both above and below, and it sure looks like a VFR descent through that layer is not going to happen. My last clearance was fly direct to Peach. Let's look at the chart.
November, correction, point at 809 mini altitude for now, maintain 7,000 on higher in just a moment.
7,000 for now, point at 809.
Peach is an initial approach fix on Spartanburg's RNAV runway 23 approach, here. And I am flying directly toward it from the southeast, level at 4,000.
Alright, I am on the approach, or correction, I am being sent direct to Peach, which is the initial approach fix for the RNAV runway 23 at Spartanburg Downtown.
Number 8, Juliet Golf. You're 3 from Peach, maintain 3,000 until established on the final approach course. And you're cleared for the RNAV runway 23 for Spartanburg.
Okay, maintain 3,000 till established. We are cleared for the RNAV approach runway 23 Spartan Downtown, 98 Juliet Golf. Okay, he's cleared us for the approach.
Number 8, Romeo Tango, traffic 2:33 o'clock and about 7 miles southbound out of 53, climbing leveling 7,000 to King Air.
Romeo Tango, load.
Point at 809, traffic 9 o'clock, 7 miles southwest.
Stay here at 4,000 till I get to Peach.
Number 39 Whiskey, no delay to 4,000, please.
I can drop to 2,800.
24 Quebec. West approach instruction to be turn left heading of 0900, maintain 3,000, return to this frequency.
$23.0.
123.0 is the airport's advisory frequency that I am setting as a standby frequency in my number 1 comm.
Ray Charlie Hotel, contact Atlanta Center 125.15. Number 24 Quebec, change to advisory frequency approved. Ready to golf before cancellation by FR in the air with me or on the ground with 120.55.
Okay, we got that for 90 Juliet Golf. We're going to stay with you for a little bit longer.
Roger.
Okay, here's Peach. All right, just went over Peach.
Point at 809, turn 10 degrees left.
Heading 309.
And points at 809, climb and maintain 10,000.
And I can't start down. Let's
Okay, 10,000, points at 809.
Crossing Peach, the new course line is 297 degrees. And I start down to 2,800 feet as prescribed on the approach chart for this leg.
5 miles to, let's see.
I think it's actually pronounced UC.
Romeo Tango, traffic, no factor.
Romeo Tango.
Points at 809, traffic, no factor.
809, thanks.
Number 300 Whiskey, you said you want the VOR approach next? Number 39 Whiskey, missed approaching instructions remain unchanged.
Out of 35, I'll take it down to 2,800 per the approach procedure.
Point set area 809, contact Atlanta Center 135.35.
135, point set 809, good.
Yeah.
All right, 2 miles to Muncie, then left to 227 degrees. There's 3,000. All right, let's start to level off.
It looks like 2800 is putting me right at the top of this layer.
Number 300 whiskey.
All right, I got a countdown timer. 4, 3. All right, turn 2, 2.
Number 300 whiskey, expect that.
Just flew over Musey, turning to the inbound course of 227 degrees. The next fix is Leor, and I am permitted to descend to 2,100 feet. But I will remain at 2,800 and simply intercept the glide slope further out. Okay, I am now inbound for the runway and on course.
November 8 whiskey, Tango, contact Columbia approach 133.4.
All right, just got a glide slope aim active. 2,800.
When the glide slope needle centers, I'll drop the gear and add some flaps, and the airplane should fly right down the glide slope.
Go lower.
Departure, Blue Streak 5381 passing, 2200, 5,000 runway heading.
Blue Streak 5381, departure radar contact, turn left heading 180, maintain 10,000, 10,000.
Left turn 180 and 10,000, 5381.
November 8, Juliet Golf, traffic 12 o'clock, 3 miles, opposite direction, converging at 1,600, unverified type unknown.
Okay, he'd be below the clouds on us right now. We're looking though, 90 Juliet Golf.
Aces 41 gear approach, maintain 10,000, 10,000, RNAV approach, only 23 Donaldson, I'll give you the weather in just a minute. Ray Charlie Hotel, contact Atlanta Center 125.15, 2515.
2515, have a good day, Charlie Hotel.
Aces 41 gear. Aces 41 gear approach, center maintain 10,000, 10,000, traffic at 11 o'clock and 10 miles southeast bound 9,000 Cirrus. Expect the RNAV runway 23 approach into Donaldson.
All right. Glide slope is starting to come down.
Aces 41, maintain 10,000, 10,000.
Glide slope needle is moving downward, indicating I am beginning to intercept it.
Number 324 Quebec, departure ident.
Good morning, Courier. Diamond Star 380 Delta Sierra 6,000.
Aces 41, turn left heading 280. District 5381, turn left heading 110, when able direct credit.
Oh, fuel selector is already
then direct credit.
Extra rich.
5381.
110 heading Blue Streak 5381.
110, that sounds better, 5381.
490 Julie Gear approach, descend and maintain
Propeller, approach.
8,000, expect the ILS approach, only 22 approach, information golf.
Good morning, Courier. Diamond.
Glide slope needle just centered. So down goes the landing gear, and one notch of flaps should create just the right amount of drag to make the airplane fly down the glide
We'll stay
slope.
with you until we get below this cloud layer for 8 Juliet Golf.
Number 324 Quebec, say your intentions.
Alright, we're starting down.
324 Quebec fly heading of 0801 able proceed direct 35 Alpha. Aces 41 descend and maintain 8,000.
MDA is 1,001 feet.
00 Charlie, maintain 1000. I'll have low air in just a moment. Blue Streak 5381 flight present heading now and climb and maintain 13,000, 13,000.
Traffic not
Heading up to
available.
13,000, 5381.
Blue Streak 381 counting Atlanta Center 135.35.
13535, Blue Streak 5381. Good morning, Courier.
November.
Star 380 Delta Sierra 6000.
November 39 Whiskey, descend and maintain 3,000 and fly heading of 200.
Good morning, Courier. Diamond Star 380 Delta Sierra 6000.
Number 380 Delta Sugar, approach RNAV runway 198 is Whiskey.
Okay, can't pick up the ATIS yet. Understand 190 Delta Sierra.
November 0 Juliet Charlie, descend and maintain 9,000. Aces 41, maintain 5,000.
There's the runway, got it. Lights on, pump on. Gasoline. On my fullest tank already. Undercarriage down and lock. Mixture, prop.
Now that I've descended below the cloud layer, I've got the runway in sight.
And Spear 90 Juliet Golf, we do have the runway clear of the clouds, and we'll go ahead and cancel.
Number 39 Whiskey, fly heading 230. November 8 Juliet Golf, I for cancellation received, squawk VFR change to advise is approved.
So long.
November 907 Zulu squawk.
Spartanburg Downtown, 98 Juliet Golf on RNAV approach, about a 3.5 mile final, straight in, runway 23, Spartanburg Downtown. Alright, a little bit low on my glide slope, so I'm going to arrest my rate of descent, fly back into that glide slope. Gears down, 3 greens.
Edward County Airport.
Pump is on, go, gasoline, undercarriage, fixture, propeller. We are set to land. Alright, everything looks good. On course, on glide slope. Spartanburg Downtown, 98 Juliet Golf, 1 mile final for runway 23 Spartanburg. Gears down. Alright, we are set for landing.
Edward County Airport, 6075 Delta. 2 miles east of the airport, doing a left downwind for 35, Avery County.
Alright, right on the glide slope right now. Perfect. Add in full flaps. Up off, landing light off, transponder to standby. Lights off. Camera on. Action on phone. Welcome to Spartanburg Downtown Airport. Spartanburg traffic, 90 Juliet Golf, we're clear runway 23, and we'll be taxiing over to the right.
Juliet Gale, Spartanburg, you on the com?
Say that again?
Yes, sir. You looking for any services today, sir?
Now, we're only going to be here for about 5 minutes. I just have to kind of reverse my flight plan here, and we'll be departing again.
Roger that, sir.
Thank you for the offer, though.
Anytime, sir.
I'll end the video here as I get ready for the return flight. Watch for part 3. Until then, remember, life is a journey. Enjoy the ride, and thanks for watching.